Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Slow for Beginners. Please relax and enjoy Lesson 21. There is no need to memorise anything. Allow the English words to come to you slowly and calmly. You are doing really well. Let us begin. Here are the 12 English words for today. Just listen, do not repeat. Speak, talk, read, write, call, meet, share, explain, show, teach, learn, study. Good. Now, listen to the 12 English words again and repeat them after me. Speak, speak. Talk, talk. Read, read. Write, write. Call, call. Meet, meet. Share, share. Explain, explain. Show, show. Teach, teach. Learn, learn. Study, study. Very good. Nice and slow. Now, we can listen to some joined words. You can repeat them if you like. I speak. You speak. I talk. You talk too. I read. You read it. I write today. Write my name. I call you. You call me. We meet today. I meet you. I share ideas. We share. I explain this. You explain that. I show you. You show me. I teach you. We teach people. We learn English. I learn English. I study at home. We study English. Great. Now, listen to a short, easy story using all of the 12 English words. Today is a good day. I meet you here. We talk and we speak. You read a book. I write your name. I call you later. We share an idea at your home. You explain this idea to me. I show you my work. I teach you a little English. You learn fast. Now we study here. It is a calm, good day. Very good. Okay, let us listen to the 12 English words one more time. Speak. Talk. Read. Write. Call. Meet. Share. Explain. Show. Teach. Learn. Study. Very good. Okay, you have now reached the end of lesson 21. You did very well today. You should relax now, and I will see you for lesson 22. If you enjoyed this lesson, you can like, share, and subscribe.